continuous variable, when you look at this continuous variable, it's just from the, we just set up like that. And then if we want to know if x equal 3 for the continuous variable, that's impossible, because if that is x equal 3, it should be just line. Probably that line is very thin, because this x interval has infinite numbers. So each any specific point has, we cannot say there is any space. Anyway, if that is a line, then as we already know, we cannot obtain area because there is no base. So for the continuous variable, you cannot get any probability of any specific number. So mostly the continuous variable, we have to get area under the curve which has some interval between A and B, or maybe B over bigger than B or smaller than A. That is what we are doing for continuous variable. Okay, so please keep in mind that then the national player of the continuous variable was, we already talked about this, that is a normal distribution, right? For normal distribution, we need central tendency and dispersion. So mu, that is mean, and sigma, that is standard deviation. So if we know these numbers, then we know normal distribution completely. And every normal distribution can be transformed standard normal distribution, which has mean 0 and standard deviation is 1. The reason we are doing this is we want to obtain the probability quickly and easily, because if we doing this, the obtaining the probability between any specific two numbers, two intervals, then the only way we can do is using integral, because that is what we are doing in mathematics or algebra. Integral a from b, from a to b, this function according to the x. So it's just mathematical procedure to obtain the probability under the curve, normal curve. But sometimes it's very hard, because sometimes the numbers are big or small or very small. So it's just hard to do that. So avoid this kind of a hard job. We want to make it simple. And then some genius guys already generate the whole normal distribution probability table. So we can just wrapper that and then find the probability what we wanted. So standard normal distribution is for calculating or obtaining the probability of normal distribution easily and fast.